I'm going to show you how to create Asana task from Typeform using Zapier. It's a straightforward automation that eliminates manual copying and keeps your team moving fast. Let's jump in. Open your browser and go to zapier.com. If you're not signed in yet, log in now. The dashboard loads up and you'll see the main workspace. We need a new Zap, so click the orange Create button in the top left corner, then choose Zaps. The Zap editor opens in a new tab. This is where you build the whole thing. Every Zap starts with a trigger, so click that first trigger step. A search box appears. Type in Typeform and select it from the list. If you haven't connected your Typeform account before, you'll get a prompt right here to sign in and authorize Zapier. I've already got mine connected, but if you see that prompt, just follow it. Same goes for Asana later. Having both connected ahead of time saves a ton of back and forth. Next, choose the trigger event. Pick New Entry from the drop-down and click Continue. Now select your Typeform from the list that pops up. I always double-check the form name here because if you grab the wrong one, you'll be pulling in completely different questions and your task mapping will fall apart. Click Continue again. Before we test, I want to point out something. Make sure your Typeform actually collects all the info you'll need for the Asana task, a clear title, a description, maybe a due date or priority. If it doesn't, go tweak the form now and come back. Alright, click Test Trigger. If Zapier doesn't find any recent entries, it'll show an error. That's normal. Just open your Typeform in another tab, submit a test entry with dummy data, then return here and hit Test Trigger again. Within a few seconds, you'll see the sample response load on screen. Review those fields, confirm that the answers you want to send over to Asana are all present. If something's missing, go back and adjust your Typeform or test entry before we move on. Now we add the action. Click the plus icon below the trigger, search for Asana, select it, and choose Create Task as the action event. Click Continue. You'll either see your Asana account already connected or a sign-in prompt. If prompted, sign into Asana and authorize Zapier to access your workspace. Once you're back in Zapier, your account name appears selected. Click Continue. Here's where we tell Zapier exactly where the task should land. The Workspace drop-down shows your available workspaces. Pick the right one. If your workspace uses Teams, that option appears next. Select it if needed. Then the project list drops down. Choose the specific project where these tasks should live. I cannot stress this enough. Double check that you're pointing to the correct project. Sending 100 tasks to the wrong project is a massive cleanup headache, and it's entirely avoidable right here. Now the fun part, mapping the fields. The task name is your first field. Click into it and select the Typeform question that gives a short descriptive title. A question like request title or summary is ideal. For description, I map the long text answer where people explain the full request. If your Typeform asks for an assignee, you can map that here too. Same goes for due date and start date. Just make sure the date formats from Typeform match what Asana expects, because a mismatch will break the steps silently until you test. Tags and custom fields appear next if your project uses them. I always map custom fields now because skipping them means someone has to fill them manually later. A word of caution, if a field in Asana is required and you leave it empty or your mapping doesn't provide a value, the task creation will fail. So scroll through every Asana field that shows up and either map it or set a sensible default. If you don't know who the assignee should be, set a default like yourself or leave it unassigned if your project allows it. The optional settings section lets you set things like section, followers, milestones, and approval status. Honestly, I rarely touch these unless the project has a rigid structure, but if you need a task to land in a specific section automatically, select it now. Time to test the action. Click Test Step. Zapier will create a real task in Asana right now. Watch the status. When it succeeds, you get a green confirmation. If it fails, read the error message carefully. 9 times out of 10, it's a required field that wasn't mapped or a date format issue. Go back, fix it, and test again. Once the test passes, go to Asana and find that new task. Verify it's in the correct project, the title and description are right, and every mapped field contains what you expected. If anything's off, tweak the mapping in Zapier and retest. Everything looks good. Let's publish. First, rename your Zap up top. Give it a descriptive name you'll recognize 6 months from now, like Typeform to Asana Task Creation. Then click Publish. Your automation is live. One last thing, go submit a real response through your Typeform. Wait a minute, then open Asana. You should see a brand new task that appeared automatically, carrying all the submitted details. If it's there, you're done. If this walkthrough saved you time, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what get this in front of other people searching for the same thing.